Hello boys, good morning. Welcome back to your maths online class. I hope you all are fine, right? So which topic were we doing in our previous class? Odd and even numbers. I hope you all have done the exercise which I asked you to write down the numbers from 1 till 100 and then underline or circle the even numbers. That was quite simple. I hope you all are aware now what are odd and what are even numbers. The numbers which have 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 at one's place. Those numbers are odd numbers, and numbers which have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Those numbers are even numbers. Right boys? Now there is another definition for odd and even numbers which I am going to write, and you will copy down this complete definition in your notebook after completing that exercise, the previous exercise which I gave you all. Right? Okay. To find out whether the number is odd or even, divide the number by 2. What you have to do? You have to divide the number by 2. I hope you have studied division in your previous class. Right boys? Because this division topic we haven't studied till now, because that is your syllabus for final exam. So we will start that topic after completing this topic. Right? But I am aware you all know division by 2. Okay? So you have to divide the number, any number, by 2 to find out whether it is odd or even. Now, if the remainder is 1, the number is odd, right? And if there is no remainder, or 0 is remainder, the number is what boys? The number is even. Okay, I'll tell you how it will be done. For example, let's take a number 25. You have to divide 25 by 2. Now, how we will divide 25 by 2? Let's see in the rough. 2. Let's divide it by 2. 2 ones are 2. 0. 5 will come down. 2 twos are 4. And 1 is the remainder here. So, when the remainder is 1, the number is odd. So, since here we are getting remainder as 1, the quotient is 12. This is called quotient. This is called remainder. Quotient is 12 and remainder is 1. So the number is odd. 25 is an odd number. Right boys? Before this class, we studied a very simple trick that the numbers having 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 at the end, these numbers automatically becomes your odd number. So this is just another trick. If you want to follow this division method also, that is also completely correct. If you want to just see the last digit and write down odd and even, that is also absolutely fine. Okay boys? Okay. Let's take another example. This was example number 1. Let's take another example. Okay, let's take another example. For example, 14. 14 divided by 2. You all know the table of 2. 14 comes in the table of 2. Yes, 2 sevens are 14. So, since it's completely divisible, quotient is 7 and remainder is 0. So, your number 14 becomes your even number, since it is completely divisible by 2. This number is completely divisible by 2. There is no remainder that is 0 is written as remainder, so your number becomes even. Fine boys. So this complete definition you will copy down in your notebook as it is in a very clear and neat and clean handwriting. Okay boys, complete till here, and I'll give you a few exercises. Please do them also in your notebook. So this is your first exercise which you have to do after writing that definition part on the new page. Now this exercise is underline the even numbers. Here are some numbers given, and now you have to underline the even numbers. Even numbers were the numbers which have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at the ones place. Right boys? So I'll do just the first one for you all. Rest 3 you will do it on your own. Right boys? So in this first question you have to underline the even numbers. So let's see the ones digit here. It is 6. So 6 is your even number or odd number boys? Even number. So we will underline this number. Right? Now let's see another number. 1359. So 9 is at ones place. Now 9 is an even number or odd number? 9 is an odd number. So we will not underline this number. Now let's see another number. 4804. So the ones digit number is 4. So 4 is an even number or odd number? 4 is even. So we will underline this complete number. Right? Now let's see the last number. 6355. Now 5 is at ones place and 5 is even number or odd number boys? 5 is an odd number. So we will not underline this number. So very simple exercise. Do this complete exercise in your notebook. One more exercise is there. Underline the odd numbers, which I will write after this. You complete this exercise first and then write the next exercise in your notebook. Okay boys, this is your second exercise. Underline the odd numbers. Odd numbers are the numbers having 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 at the end or at the ones place. Right? I'll do just the first one. Rest 3 you have to do it on your own. Okay boys? So the first question. 6210. 10. 0 is at the ones place. So 0 comes in the category or odd or even? Even. So we will just leave this number. We will not underline this. Let's see another number. 5445. Now 5 is at ones place. 5 is an even number or odd number? 5 is odd. So we will underline this complete number. Right? Let's see another number. 8409. Now 8409 is having 9 at ones place. So 9 comes in the category of odd number. So we will underline this complete number. Right? Last number 2614. 4 is at the ones place. 4 comes in which category? Even category. So we will just leave that number as it is. Okay boys? Very simple. First one has been done for you. Just do these 3 questions on your own, very neatly and carefully in your notebook. So you have 3 exercises to do. First is your definition part, which you will copy as it is. And then second is your underline the even numbers exercise. And third is underline the odd numbers. Do all your work completely, nicely and at proper time. Please do not keep delaying the work. Otherwise it will pile up and then you will cry at the end. And please maintain your copy because very soon it will be asked to submit your copies for correction. Right boys? Take care. God bless you all.